How to create a NFT on your phone for completely free. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can create your very own NFTs on your phone for free. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So you have a phone, so you want to create an NFT but you don't have a computer and all you have is your phone. Don't worry, you can do so. So by the end of this video you will know exactly what to do and how you can create a very decent looking NFT right on your phone without having to need to pay any fancy softwares or buy a computer. So let's just get started. So before I begin, you're going to need these three apps. The first app that we're going to need is called OpenSea. The second app is called Medibang Paint, and the third app is called MetaMask, because we need a cryptocurrency wallet as well. And you can find all three of these apps on your Play Store. So if you come over here on the Play Store, just simply search for, let's say, Medibang. You will see you have Medibang Paint Drawing Pro. Simply click on it, you will approach the application. Next thing you're going to do is you can just search for OpenSea and you will have OpenSea application as well. Same thing goes with MetaMask wallet as well. Just simply search for MetaMask. Boom, there you go. We have the MetaMask blockchain wallet. Simply install all three of these applications and you're good to go. Now over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the first application, which is called Medibang, and create an NFT. Simply going to tap on it, and over here you have your options in front of you. Now there are some ads, but if you buy the pro version then you won't have the ads. Let's go ahead and sign into Medibang. All right, simply going to sign up with Google because it's a lot easier. You can use, however, a username, an email, and password, all that, or you can sign up with Twitter or sign up with Facebook or whatever. I'm just simply going to use Google because it's a lot easier. Boom, there you go. You have now logged up. This is how it looks like. So as you can see, I've created a profile. I have 0 followers and 0 followings. No, nothing too fancy. So let's get started. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create a new canvas. We're going to click on new canvas. Over here, we're going to create one. All right, but we're going to change a few things. So as you can see, the height and width is 1000 and 1400, and the DPI is 350. We're going to change that. We're going to change the width to 24 pixels, 24, and the DPI can be, let's say, 300. And boom, we have that. And we want the background to be clear, and the paper size can be anything. You can do whatever you want, but for now we're going to leave all of that later. We just want to change these settings and click on OK. We're going to click on create, and boom, then you have a few tutorials on what to do, where to get these things, but you can leave that out. So all right, this is the canvas. This is how it looks like. All right, so you can go ahead and change the amount of pixel size over here on the left side. Let's say when you choose this pencil, right, currently all you have to do is just drag over here on the left side. You will see it says 50 pix. What you can do is just simply click over here and drag your finger up and down, and it will increase and decrease the size of the pixels. So for example, right now it's 1. So if I click over here, that's 1 pixel, that's 2 pixels, that's 3, 4, 5. But currently it's it's not as sharp as you want it to be. So as you can see, I've done a bunch of different things. So let me just undo them real quick. Let me just turn them off. So over here at the top you will have a bunch of different options. All right, so currently, as you can see, you have snaps. So currently it's off. So if I choose this one, then we have these lines and patterns on our screen, as you can see, and we can only move them in that direction. So as you can see, either we can move them horizontally, we can move them vertically, or horizontally we can only move them diagonally. So that's what that does. All right, so if you wanted some precision, you could use that. And then we have grid. This basically allows you to go up and down, so it's pretty nice. This is what you can use to create a pretty good little NFT. So we're going to be using grid for a while. And then you have this one right here, which I'm not sure what it does. Basically lets you to go zigzag, I think. Yes, that's what it basically does. Lets you go zigzag. But then you have this sunbeam type of thing over here. So if I choose that, you can only go in that direction. So from center over here and to that center. So basically that's what it is. All the lines that we're going to be drawing are going to be centered at a single point over here in the middle. So it's pretty cool. Let me just undo these real quick. There you go. And then we have the center one. So over here, what it will basically do is, I actually don't know. I haven't tried it out real quick, but these are very a little bit complex settings, so we're just gonna leave that at that. So now let's go ahead and do this. Let's get the grid settings on, our pixels to one size, and then try to create one NFT. Now what I basically want to do is want to come over here and I want to go something like this. Then I want to go something like this actually. But before I do that, let me just go ahead and create another layer. So to create another layer, just simply click on these three buttons over here. So to create a layer, just simply come over here at the bottom toolbar. You will see this icon in front of you. It will say layer. Over here you can create different layers. So I'm going to go ahead and create a layer. Click over here. I'm going to click on this plus icon over here, and over here we can add a 1-bit layer, 8-bit layer, you know, whatever we want. It all depends on us. Let me just go ahead and delete that real quick. And over here, as you can see, we have mask, add image by taking photo, or whatever. So whatever you want. So I'm going to go with a 1-bit layer actually, and then I'm going to go, and there we go. Now we have another layer. Now what I want to do is I want to go up. So I'm just simply going to go up. Actually, going to put some grid lines over this one as well. Choose the pencil tool and go up. Can't seem to be going over here. Let's go with this one over here, and I go up. There we go. Now let's go ahead and create like an ear or something. There we go. One over here and then one over here. No, actually, that looks weird. Here, one over here, one over here. There you go. Now I'm going to create another one over here, and then I'm going to put like a dot over here. Now I'm going to go up, and now I'm going to create like this one over here, create another one, and go over here. Put a dot over there, put another dot, and go down this way, and then put like a chin over here. Oh, I think I might have went a little too far. One more, I think, and then we can add like a chin, and then we can work on the over here. There you go, and then we just move down. Boom, there you go. Now we have a general outline. Now what we can do is we can delete this layer over here. Let me just go ahead and delete that real quick. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. It looks really nice, looks really cool. Now what we can do is we can go ahead and create like mouth. 3. Over here, I'm going to create like a nose. It's a little bit too much. There you go. And then I want to create like an eye over here and an eye over here. Boom, there you go. Now we can go ahead and color it out. So to color it out, we need to like have skin color. So let's go ahead and get ourselves a skin color that we can find. It should be over here. Okay, so I figured out the problem. The problem was I accidentally chose like the 8-bit. You know, I chose the wrong layer. I had to choose the color layer so that I can actually, you know, perform this, which is over here. Make sure if you choose the color layer, if you were creating a layer, make sure you choose the color layer, all right? If you're gonna be painting. So now let me just go ahead and paint this out, right? I don't understand why this is happening. Let me actually change it to pencil. There we go. There you go. Let me just go ahead and fill this out, and I will catch you guys in a second. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and erase some of these you know, outlines that got away. There we go. Now it looks much better. Okay, I understand the color isn't the best, but you know, I am working with whatever I got over here. Now, oh shit, now that dot does not look good. There we go. I think I fixed it. Oh, it's a little bit too bright now. Let me just put that over here. There we go. Okay, so there you go. Now you have your outline. You are good to go. So this is how you basically do it. Now let's go ahead and add like a background over here. Right, so to add a background, we'll add another layer. We're gonna add a color layer over here. We're gonna move it down, and in this one we're gonna choose the gradient tool. All right, and for the gradient tool, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and choose like a color. But for now, from like for example blue, you know, we're gonna go into the color palette over here. We're gonna choose one color is gonna be blue, and the other one is gonna be red. There you go. Now we're just gonna move from one point to another. Boom, there you go. As you can see, it looks pretty nice. It looks pretty cool. Then all you have to do is just simply save it. So to save it, all you have to do is click on save, and then all you have to do is click on these three buttons over here and click on export. export as PNG, allow it. Then you have PNG transparent, or JPEG. So I'm gonna go with JPEG and I'm gonna click on OK, and boom, it's finished. For that, you can go into your gallery and see it. Now let's go ahead and upload it on OpenSea. So to upload it on OpenSea, what you're gonna do is you won't have to open the OpenSea application itself, because that's only for viewing your NFTs. What you can do is you will need to go into MetaMask, all right? And because we're using MetaMask, has like a browser over here as well that you can use. Right now I'm gonna unlock with the biometric. Boom, there you go, you are logged into your MetaMask wallet. And another good thing is that because we're using MetaMask has a browser in itself. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up your MetaMask wallet, click on these hamburger menu and click on browser, and you're going to go into the browser section. And over here, you're going to go ahead and create your NFT. Just simply click on create and wait for a couple of seconds. It's going to open up. Connect your wallet, all right? Choose MetaMask. We're already in MetaMask, so you won't have to worry about anything. Just simply click on sign and boom, you're good to go. You're gonna move on, and over here just simply upload your NFT. So simply go into your gallery and find it. Now I have a few already created, so I'm just simply going to choose this one and click on OK. So these were the ones that I created beforehand. So next, all you have to do is just enter in the name of your NFT. So it can be anything. So I'm just simply call it Budget Punk over here. And then you have your external link if you want to add an external link to your other projects, your past projects or future projects, or currently projects you're working on, so that you can showcase them to other people. Then you can add that link over here, and that link can be anything. It can be a Facebook link, it can be an Instagram link, your own website, whatever. Just add that over here if you want to. Then you have your description. You can add anything over here, and once you have done that, you can go ahead and add like a property over here that says, like, let's say a different colored background, or an accessory or whatever. And then you have your supply over here. You can change your supply when you have the Ethereum blockchain on, but if you change your Ethereum blockchain to Polygon, then you can increase the supply. And if you choose Polygon, you won't even have to pay any gas fee whatsoever. So I'm going to choose Polygon, and then I'm simply gonna click on create, and it's gonna say almost done. And I'm just simply gonna clear the reCAPTCHA. Click on buses over here. Let's see if I can do that. There, it's a bus. That's a bus. That's a bus. Boom. Verify. There we go. I think I have been verified. And over here, wait a couple of seconds. Boom. As you can see, you have created your Budget Punk. So now what we can do is we can go ahead and click on sell. We can sell this NFT. So over here, once you enter in the amount you want, so let's say 0.005, right? And the duration, we set it for a month, and the fee is going to be 2.5% fee. That's just a selling fee that is only going to cost you only have to pay that fee once you've actually sold the NFT, but till then you don't have to pay it. Then just simply click on complete listing and just simply click on the sign. Okay, so first we have to switch our wallet's RPC to the Polygon network, so let me just go ahead and do that. Okay, I can't. And then all you have to do is just simply click on complete listing, and then boom, there you go. After that, you've completed your NFT. You've uploaded your NFT online. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As you can see, it's really easy, it's really simple. Just download these apps. All right, if you can't find these apps on your phone, then maybe try to find another one, just where you can create layers and draw freely. So find these applications, download them, and then just simply get started. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.